emergency call for help! Oh no, the building is on fire! Firefighter, please come and put out the fire! Don't be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter Kiki is here to put out the fire! There is thick smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel to the trapped person. All fires have been successfully extinguished. Oh no, we're out of water! Driver's seat! Outside driving. Which path do you want? Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose. Turn the hose to tighten it. Which of these pipes can be connected? Great! Connect the rest of the pipes. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. There is an emergency call for help! Help! Some people fell in the water! Don't be afraid, Candy. The rescue team will be here soon. The person in the water and throw a life buoy. Slide the rope to pull the person out of the water. Rescue mission completed! You've reached the finish line! time to draw a prize. Yeah, it's a new wheel. Wow, you got a key. Just one more key to unlock a new car. Fire truck. There is an emergency call for help. What shall we do? Firefighter Kiki, the baby fox is... Driver's seat. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. Raise the ladder and search in the tree above. Slide the joystick and go to the bushes above for rescue. Tap the spider web. The baby foxes were successfully found. Outside driving. Driver's seat. Outside driving. Look, the pool is short of water and the wooden bridge cannot be crossed. Let's fill the pool with water. Fantastic! The wooden bridge has floated up and it can be crossed. Corn, pears, grapes, eggplants, peaches, apples. Thank you. Driver's seat. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the supermarket is on fire and many people are trapped in the supermarket. Firefighter Kiki, please come to the... more trapped people in the supermarket. Let's start looking for them. There is an obstacle. Get it? Fire axe can split all blocking boxes. There's a fire. Fire extinguisher can put out all fires. Choose protective tools for the trapped. The gas mask has strong protection. It can help isolate smoke and toxic gases. Choose protective tools for the trapped people. Thank you. Choose protective tools for the... Thank you. There is an obstacle. Get it clear. The trapped person is struggling. Rescue all trapped people. Driver's seat. Outside driving. You've reached the finish line. Time to draw a prize. Wow! You've got a key. A new car is unlocked. Train. Little driver, come pick your car. Train.